So in calculation number 7 is use the tabular method to find the right-sided Laplace transform to the following. A is f of t for sine 3 of 3t minus ang pi minus 3 cosine of 2t minus 2t minus 2 over pi. So B is f of t is equals to sine squared 3t cosine of 2 3t. And letter C is f of t is equals to 3 cosine 4t cosine 3t. Letter D is f of t is equals to 100 e raised to negative 0.5t. So we have get the value of sine of 2 angle. So it will become sine 3t cosine pi minus cosine 3t sine pi. Next step is we have to get also the 2 angle cosine, which is equal to the cosine 2t cosine pi over 2 plus sine 2t sine pi 2. So the next step is we have to get the Laplace transform in sine 3t minus pi, which is cosine pi Laplace transform of sine 3t minus sine pi Laplace transform of cosine 3t. So we have to simplify the Laplace transform, which is the sine 3t is equals to 3 over s2 9 and the cosine 3t is equals to s over s2 s squared plus 9. So the next step is get the value of cosine 2 angle, which is cosine pi over 2 Laplace transform of cosine 2t plus sine pi over 2 Laplace transform of sine 2t, and then get the value t in Laplace transform. So next steps is we have to combine all the value of the sine 2 angle and cosine 2 angle, which is cosine pi times the 3 over the or minus s to sine pi over s squared plus 9 times 4 minus 3, it should be minus cosine pi over 2 times the s plus sine pi over 2 over s2 plus 4 times 3, and that is the final answer. Letter B is we have to get the value of the identity of sine x cosine y in squared in raised to 2 is equals to 1/2 sine x plus y plus sine x minus y, and get the value of the given, which is equals to 1/2 sine squared is equals to 3t plus 3t 3t plus 3t plus to the sine squared of 3t minus 3t, and it should be equal to 0. It will become 1/2 sine squared of 6 plus t, and get the value of Laplace transform, which is 1 minus cosine 2t over 2, and take out the constant, which is 1/2, and it will the final answer is 1/4 times 1 over s minus s over s squared plus 36. Letter C is we have to get the trigonometric identity of cosine x cosine y is equals to 1/2 cosine x minus y plus cosine x plus y. It will become equal to the given, which is 1/2 cosine 4t minus 3t plus cosine 4t plus 3t, and it will equal to 1/2 cosine 12t minus cosine minus cosine, and it will equal to 1/2 cosine squared times 12t equal to 1 half plus cosine 2 12t over 2 over 2. So it will cancel. And we have 3 cosine of x, cosine of y is equals to 3 times of 1 plus cosine 2 times cosine, cosine squared at 12t equals to 3 cosine squared. It will become 36t. Then next is we have to get to the value of Laplace transform. Cosine of 4 plus cosine 3t or 4t times cosine. Then get the Laplace transform 3 plus cosine squared 36. And then we have the value of 3 over s plus s over s squared plus 36 squared.
So this will be the final answer.
Final answer. So letter D is we have 100 e raised to negative 0.5t, and we have to get the Laplace transform of e raised to a negative 0.5t, and then it will equal to 101 over s. The value is 1 over s plus 0.5. So that is the final answer. 100 times 1 over s plus 0.5. So learning. So I have learned from calculation 7 of the topic Laplace transform using the tabular method to find the right-sided Laplace transform. I have learned that how to manipulate the trigonometric identities in order to solve the given Laplace transform. And I have learned that I have to master the trigonometric identity in order for me to know how to manipulate the trigonometric identities to solve for the given Laplace transform. Second is I have learned how to use the Laplace transform formula in order for us to easy for evaluating or simplifying the Laplace transform given.